Hey boo hey, it's Adrian Patika. I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a review and install with Unice Hair Company. In the box they sent me a necklace, an elastic band, a wig cap, some lashes. This unit is a 16-inch, 180 density, body weight, 5x5 HD lace closure. The unit came looking very natural, the knots were thin, and there wasn't much maintenance needed. In these clips, I'm unboxing the wig, and as you can see, straight out the box, the lace is very thin, and it looks natural. It's blending right in with my skin. When mixing the bleaching powder and developer, you want to make sure that the consistency is like cake batter or toothpaste. Then you want to spread it onto the lace with a very light hand. I let that process for 28 minutes and then wash it with purple shampoo. Like I said, the unit didn't need much maintenance, but I did go ahead and pluck it to my liking. Let me put y'all on. These tweezers are some of the best tweezers. They're called Tweezermen. I got them from Sally's Beauty Supply Store. Okay, so we about to press it out. You want to press your unit flat. When I say flat, I mean emphasis on flat. You want to part small sections in the closure and press the hot comb to the root. If you don't already, I recommend getting a wax stick and applying that to the hair, to the root, before hot combing it. That's going to help get it flat as well. Customization, this unit is giving. It's everything. It's giving chef's kiss like. For this unit, I'm doing a quick and easy 5-minute glueless install. To get a natural look, I added makeup to the lace. I strapped the elastic band as tight as it can go so that it can fit my head perfectly, since we're not using any glue for this install. Nobody has a straight hairline, so cut the lace in a jagged motion so when you lay it, it looks natural as possible. Glueless or not, it's just gonna do some baby hairs. I don't like for my baby hairs to be thick, so I'm just separating the amount of hair that I want to be out. When you use this glueless install method, it really does help protect your natural baby hairs because you're not putting all of that harsh lace glue onto your edges, pulling them out. And if you don't wear your units long, this wig install method is super convenient because you can just take the wig off whenever you're ready. And then I'm going to go in and cut my baby hairs. I don't like to cut them too short right when I cut them the first time. If I want them shorter, then I'll go in and cut them as I go. When it comes to perfecting my baby hairs, I use a mini flat iron. Like, sis, get you a mini flat iron. You're going to use the mini flat iron to flip your baby hairs backwards. It's going to look crazy at first, but I'm telling you, it's going to come out super cute. And then I go in with some Gots to Be gel in the black bottle and I swoop my baby hairs back. I want to do a dedicated video on like how to do baby hairs, but I don't know if that's something that you guys will be interested in. If that's something that you would like to see, let me know down in the comment section below. And then I use my elastic band to lay my baby hairs in place. Okay, babe, so here's the finished look. I love this wig. It's so soft. It holds curls really good. The lace is bomb. I give it a 10 out of 10. Thanks so much for tuning in to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.